All of our Verum squares come packed in a nice box for delivery with rust-proof paper as well. You may want to keep the rust-proof paper to keep your square in tip-top condition, but what I always do keep is the good cardboard box it comes in. I shall store that square in that for its lifetime basically. Just keeps it in tip-top condition. So this is the 9" or 225mm square. This is really quite a good size, robust square. I'm going to be using this for marking out, testing these larger size panels. You may also use this for setting up and testing things like your miter saw or your crosscut saw, for any of those kind of size bits we're going to use. A really good heavy size stock, a nice thick and very accurate blade. Fantastic square for our good accurate workshop setting out. That's in detail how to use that size square. If you want to check out the other uses on the individual squares, then follow those videos. If you want to buy our Verum squares, look at us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and follow us on our social media channels.